Hello viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the captivating world of aloe vera, a plant known for its soothing properties and remarkable health benefits. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore the diverse medicinal uses of aloe vera, a botanical gem cherished for centuries in traditional medicine. From its healing effects on the skin to its digestive benefits and more, aloe vera is a true natural wonder that deserves a place in your daily wellness routine. So, if you're curious to discover the incredible health potential of aloe vera and how it can transform your well-being, stick around, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more enriching content. Let's unlock the secrets of this miraculous plant together. Let's get started. Aloe vera, scientifically known as Aloe barbadensis Miller, is a succulent plant renowned for its therapeutic properties and versatile medicinal uses. Native to North Africa, the Arabian Peninsula, and various other tropical regions, aloe vera has been a staple in traditional medicine for thousands of years. Its gel-like interior, extracted from the fleshy leaves, contains a wealth of bioactive compounds that contribute to its healing potential. In recent times, scientific research has shed light on the medicinal benefits of aloe vera, elevating it to the status of a super plant with a myriad of health applications. In this comprehensive video, we will explore the medicinal uses of aloe vera and delve into the science behind its remarkable health benefits. Before exploring its medicinal properties, it is crucial to understand the nutritional value of aloe vera. The gel contains an array of essential vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and enzymes. Vitamins like A, C, E, and B12 are present, along with minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and zinc. Aloe vera also contains a group of compounds called polysaccharides, which play a significant role in its healing effects. Number 1. Skin health and wound healing. Aloe vera's long-standing reputation as a skin-soothing agent is well-deserved. The gel contains compounds with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it effective for various skin conditions. When applied topically, aloe vera can accelerate wound healing, reduce redness and inflammation, and promote tissue repair. It is commonly used to alleviate sunburns, minor cuts, and skin irritations. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. The polysaccharides present in aloe vera contribute to its anti-inflammatory properties. When applied or consumed, aloe vera can help reduce inflammation in various parts of the body. This makes it potentially beneficial for conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel diseases. Aloe vera also contains an abundance of antioxidants, such as vitamins C and E, that neutralize free radicals, protecting cells from oxidative damage. These antioxidant effects may contribute to overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Number 3. Gastrointestinal health. Aloe vera's benefits extend to the digestive system. When ingested, the gel can soothe and promote healing in the gastrointestinal tract. It is known to aid in the relief of conditions like acid reflux, indigestion, and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Additionally, aloe vera's laxative properties may help alleviate constipation, though it is essential to use it judiciously, as excessive use can lead to diarrhea. Number 4. Immune system support. Aloe vera contains compounds that boost immune function, including acemanin, a polysaccharide with immunomodulatory effects. These compounds help the body defend against infections and strengthen the overall immune response. It is essential to use it judiciously, as excessive use can lead to diarrhea. Number 5. Cardiovascular health. Preliminary studies suggest that aloe vera may have positive effects on cardiovascular health. Some research indicates that consuming aloe vera may help lower cholesterol levels, thus reducing the risk of heart disease. However, more extensive clinical trials are needed to establish a definitive link. Number 6. Oral health. Aloe Vera's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can benefit oral health. It has been used in natural oral care products like toothpaste and mouthwash to reduce plaque, gum inflammation, and bad breath. Number 7. Diabetes management. Some studies suggest that aloe vera may aid in blood sugar regulation for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Consuming aloe vera gel or juice has shown potential in improving glucose levels, insulin sensitivity, and lipid profiles. However, further research is required to validate its efficacy in diabetes management. Number 8. Skin conditions. Apart from its wound healing properties, aloe vera has been studied for its potential benefits in managing certain skin conditions. Research has shown promise in using aloe vera to alleviate symptoms of psoriasis and eczema due to its anti-inflammatory and moisturizing effects. 9. Anti-cancer properties. Emerging research suggests that certain compounds in aloe vera may exhibit anti-cancer properties. Some studies have shown that aloe vera extracts can inhibit the growth of cancer cells, particularly in breast and cervical cancer. However, it is essential to understand that aloe vera is not a substitute for cancer treatments, and more research is required to establish its role in cancer management. Aloe vera, Aloe barbadensis Miller, stands as a true botanical wonder with a wide array of medicinal uses and health benefits. From soothing skin irritations to promoting gastrointestinal health and immune system support, this versatile plant has earned its reputation as a remarkable healing agent. While aloe vera holds immense potential as a natural remedy, it is essential to use it judiciously and consult with a healthcare professional before using it for medicinal purposes, especially for individuals with allergies or specific medical conditions. As we embrace the therapeutic potential of aloe vera, let it remind us of the gifts nature offers in our pursuit of well-being. Its time-tested legacy in traditional medicine and the growing body of scientific evidence continue to highlight the significance of this ancient plant in modern healthcare. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video.